Now I'm going to assign the role and responsibility of the entry supervisor, attendance, and authorized entrance. Entry supervisor. Verify safety checks, permits, and precautions. Confirm training and emergency service before entry. During entry, monitor safety, maintain communication, and suspend operation if unsafe. Post-entry, they secure the space and complete the documentation. Click on Ensure button. Attendants understand hazards and emergency procedure before entry. During entry, they monitor entrance, maintain headcount, and manage communication. In post-entry, they ensure safe exit and report it to the supervisor. Click on Ensure button. Authorized entrants understand hazards and complete the training before entry. During entry, they follow protocols, wear PPE, and communicate with the attendant. Post-entry, they exit safely and participate in debriefing. Click on Ensure button.